Hi, my name is Kathy Schumacher, and I'm actually a local artist. And I'm actually known for a very unique style that I paint. Today I'm going to show you a little demonstration of my unique style. So at home, I actually started this painting. And what I do always is I tone my canvas a color first, and then I apply my paint using the knives. But I always let some of the background color shows through because this will give my work a 3D dimension. So let me show you some examples of my strokes. So here I'm using pure oil paint. I never mix anything with my oil paint, just straight out of a tube. When I usually do my lay-in, I start with my darker colors first, and then I apply my lighter colors on top of it. So I've started this cute little sunflower, and I added my dark colors first, and now I'm going to go ahead and use my lighter colors. Another thing too is when I'm using my knife technique, I never use a straight color out of a tube. I always mix. So I'm going to go grab some of the darker color and pull the lighter color on top. And I want some of this to mix in. Here we go. I developed this technique on my own. I actually started off as a brush painter, and I just really like the pure pigment. It gives it so much luster of using thick oil paint. Mostly nature related. I do a lot of, since I live on the Emerald Coast, I do a lot of beach related subjects. I do a lot of our beautiful birds, herons, our waterways, a lot of our bayous here. So you can kind of get the idea of how I do this. I kind of go back and forth, and sometimes I'll go back and forth with my dark colors. For example, also at the Wine and Design event on August the 10th, I'm going to be discussing choosing art for homes. And I'm going to talk about color combinations, sizing, texture, etc. I think it's so important that clients not be limited to what they choose. I feel like the most important thing is that they choose what they like. For example, this beautiful, colorful sunflower, most people wouldn't think it would necessarily fit in a neutral decor, but the reality of it is, if you have a neutral home with all white walls, a statement colorful piece will provide drama for your design plan. And I'm going to be the guest speaker at Renovation Flooring this August the 10th from 4 to 6 for their Wine and Design event. I would love for you all to attend. I'm going to be bringing a wide variety of my art for the event, so it'll be great, and I'm going to show off all my different styles.